Good evening, that's number one. Can't forget about number one. This your boy Nerdboy Q with another episode of Just a Quick 4. So we're going to jump right into it. We're going to start creating a variable called unique array. And we're going to set that as a variant. Cool. And what we're going to do is we're trying to get all the unique values from this area. So we're going to say unique array is equal to this area right here. Because we only care about this column right here. So I'm going to copy that, copy it here. But to do that, we're going to get the value. And to do that specifically, we have to create a new function. So now we're creating a new function. So we're going to say get unique vals. And we're going to expect a list of variables to come in, or a list of values to come in, input array. And we're going to say, where's that input array? So we get this, copy that, we're going to put it here, to run it here. So this is how we call it. We put the name and we put parentheses and pass the variable expected if we have it. And then we're going to say create some variables, do holder as string. We'll say dim temp val and output array because we're expecting to put output arrays. So output array as variant. Cool. Now we're going to fix our input array because we got it from a range. It's going to be a little weird. So we're going to say application.transpose input array. Cool. And then we're going to redefine the size of our output array to 0 because nothing's there yet. Cool. So now we're going to say for each temp val in input array, we're going to say, we're going to iterate these using a for loop. We're going to say if ubound, meaning the last position of the output array, is equal to 0, meaning nothing's there, we're going to say output array, the last position there, and we're going to set that equal to temp val. Now, once we do that, we have to fix the output array size by doing redim, but we want to preserve all our values that were there before. Preserve output array. We're going to say ubound output array +1 to make space for a new area or new values. And then we'll say else. And here we want to say holder is equal to join output array, and we're going to join it with this character here, and then we're going to say if in string or in str holder temp val, so we're looking for that in that string. If it's equal to 0, then we want to add it. Cool. So we'll do this exact same thing, only adding things that aren't duplicates because we want to get the unique values. So now if we do that, notice we always have an extra space. We want to get rid of that extra space at the end, or the extra empty value at the end, by redefining it and subtracting one. We're going to do message box ubound the final output array last position +1, and that'll give us the entire size. So now that we've done that, we should be able to run it. And that gives us 18. So now you just create your first function. So that is it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Please keep coding. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Thank y'all, man.